Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be planting some sweet potatoes. These are the sweet potato slips that I prepared, and these slips are already rooted. Let's take a look at the roots, guys. Look at these beautiful roots of the sweet potatoes. Now this is the area where I'm gonna be planting my sweet potatoes. All of these sweet potatoes are the purple type of sweet potatoes, so it's gonna be just one type of sweet potatoes in this area. And the size of this area is, I believe, about 5 by 8, and I'm gonna be making 3 rows of sweet potatoes in this earth bed. So as you can see, I have loosened up the soil and this bed is ready for planting. Only thing I have to do is to amend the soil. So here I'm showing you the 2 amendments that I usually use. One is an all-purpose granular slow-release fertilizer. You can use any brand. This one has an NPK of 344, and then I am adding bone meal, which is rich in phosphorus, and you can see the numbers 125.0 for the NPK, so 25 parts phosphorus on this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spread these 2 soil amendments in the ground and then mix them up with the soil. I just finished spreading the fertilizer in the ground. You can see 3 lines. That's where I added the granular slow release fertilizer and the bone meal. And then what I'm gonna do next is to mix the fertilizer with the soil. You can use a hand shovel or a bigger shovel or a garden fork, or you can use a cultivator. I have mixed the fertilizer with the soil, and you can see here that the ground is ready for planting. I'll get my sweet potato slips, and then I'm going to plant the slips about 6 inches deep and about 12 inches away from each other. So again, our spacing is 12 inches between the sweet potato slips in the rows. This is the most economical way of planting your sweet potatoes. You don't have to buy garden soil or potting soil. Just plant them in the ground. This is the earth bed that I have planted with sweet potatoes. Let's move closer. So the spacing between the sweet potatoes is 12 inches. In terms of taking care of your sweet potato plants, you have to keep the sweet potatoes watered, and then it's a good idea to mulch. So I'm gonna mulch around the base of the plants. Here in a couple of weeks, we will see that these sweet potatoes will grow and vine out, and this will fill this whole area with sweet potato vines. So I'm gonna go get the water hose and water this garden, and I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Hope you are having fun in your garden. Have a great day.